Welcome to the program Learn Twi with Opoku. This is still a topic on what? Formation of sentences in Twi, under the subheading Twi Introduction or Introduction in Twi. In other words, how do we introduce ourselves or other people in Twi or using Twi language to do that? Good. In a previous lesson, we learned how to say see you later. See you later. And that we said we say what? Actually, meaning what? Later or see you later. Actually. Good. Assuming you meet someone and you want to ask the person, what is your name? What is your name? In Twi you will say, within the same. Within the same. Within the same. But at times we use other phrases that sounds like, you are called what? You are called what? In that sense, we have three ways of asking that. And we say what? Yɛfrɛ was saying, Ɔfrɛ was saying, and Wɔfrɛ was saying. The difference between these three is simply the pronoun. We have ye, or, and then wo. The ye that you see in the first sentence represent what? Yen, and that is what? We or us. Yen, we or us. And as I've said in other videos and other tutorials, when the Twi pronouns, when they are serving as a subject to a verb, normally they will lose part of them, especially the alphabets that end them. They lose that. So yen loses the N and we get what? Ye. Frɛ means what? Call. Wo means what? You. And that is what? You, singular. Saying what or how. So Yɛfrɛ was saying, literally we are saying, we call you what? We call you what? Yɛfrɛ was saying. Yɛfrɛ was saying. And when we say Ɔfrɛ was saying, Ɔfrɛ was saying, the or represents what? Or no, and that is he or she. So here we are saying, he calls you what? He calls you what? Ɔfrɛ was saying. Or she calls you what? She calls you what? And finally, Wɔfrɛ was saying. Wɔfrɛ was saying. The word that you see means what? One, and that is they. They. So, literally, we are asking, they call you what? Well, if somebody says within the saying, Yɛfrɛ was saying, Ɔfrɛ was saying, or Wɔfrɛ was saying, what will be the response? Well, first, if the person asks, within the saying, what is your name? Then you begin by saying, midinde. Midinde. For instance, Ya is the name of a person born on what? Thursday. If you want to find out 3 days of the week and the corresponding name given to a person born on each day, I've made a video about that. I'll put that in the description. You can refer to that and then learn more about that. Okay, so you can say midinde Ya, and that is my name is Ya. But if the person did ask you, Yɛfrɛ was saying, Yɛfrɛ was saying, then you will say Yɛfrɛ me Ya, Yɛfrɛ me Ya. What about if the person asks, Ɔfrɛ was saying, then you say Ɔfrɛ me Ya. So definitely, if the person asks, Wɔfrɛ was saying, then you are going to answer, Wɔfrɛ me Ya. Good. What about if you came with someone else, and then after you have said, Wɔfrɛ me Ya, well, me, I am called Akwesi because I was born on Sunday. So I will say, Wɔfrɛ me Akwesi. If I came with someone else and the person wants to know how that person is called, he or she. What's her name or what's his name? If the person asks, what is his name or what is her name? Then in Twi, the person will ask, ne din the same, meaning what is his name or what is her name? Well, for you to know the gender, if the person standing by you is a man or a boy, then you know the person is asking, what is his name? In the same way, if the person is a woman or a girl, then you know the person is asking, what is her name? Ne din the same. What will be your answer? Oh, ne din de ama. Or ne din de akosua, if the person was born on Sunday and the person is a woman or a girl. Then you say, ne din de akosua. Ne din de akosua. Well, if the person does not use this phrase, ne din the same, that is, what is his name, he might use the form that we have already learned. And it will go like this. Yɛfrɛ no sɛn. Yɛfrɛ no sɛn. Or the person might ask, Ɔfrɛ no sɛn. Ɔfrɛ no sɛn. And finally, the person can also ask, Wɔfrɛ no sɛn. Wɔfrɛ no sɛn. Wɔfrɛ no sɛn. So we have 4 ways of asking a person's name. First, we can say, ne din the same. Ne din the same. What is her name? Or we can say, Yɛfrɛ no sɛn, Ɔfrɛ no sɛn, and Wɔfrɛ no sɛn. What will be the answer? As for what is his name, ne din the same, I've already said, you will say ne din de. If the person asks Yɛfrɛ no sɛn, then you start by saying Yɛfrɛ no. Yɛfrɛ no ama. Yɛfrɛ no ama. Ɔfrɛ no sɛn, then you say Ɔfrɛ no ama. Ɔfrɛ no ama. And Wɔfrɛ no sɛn, what will you say? Wɔfrɛ no ama. Wɔfrɛ no ama. Well, we'll also end here. In Twi, as you always say, ketewese, yes ni dodo wura. And that means what? Little but good is better than what? Many but garbage. Little but good is better than what? Many but what? Garbage. Ketewese, yes ni dodo wura. So I'll end here, and I can assure you there are more lessons to be taught as far as what? Introduction in Twi is concerned. So watch out for more of such what? Lessons. By the way, if you did like the video, then kindly subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. And if you have done so, then help others also to what? Chance upon this lesson by sharing this lesson on all your social media handles. Thanks for watching.